Guys, welcome back to the channel. I drilled some of the holes for the engine mounting bolt holes for this engine stand over here. It might be getting welded sooner than I thought. I have one more hole to finish, right? The bigger hole right there. But I gotta get a new drill bit first before that because all my drill bits are worn out. So tomorrow I'm gonna get a drill bit and paint and hopefully sandblasting sand and finish that before I start a new project, which will take me a few days to do.